Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give a never.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to Love Jhanelle. I am Jhanelle. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm coming to you with these passion twists, aka Bohemian twists. I first saw the Bohemian Babe here on YouTube showcase this. She was doing a client's hair and I thought they were really cute, but I saw it on lighter hair, different texture than mine. Then I went onto her channel and I realized that she had done some on her hair which is similar to my texture, so I said make me try these out. So I'm going to link down below the videos that I saw before attempting this hairstyle. Through trial and error I figured out which worked for me. In this video I'm going to show you the 3 ways I installed these twists. I did a rubber band method, I did a plait and twist method, and I also did this original way that the Boho Babe did hers, which is to twist it from the root all the way down. All 3 worked fine. Depending on your skill level, you'll choose whichever one works best for you and how you want the outcome to be. I used 8 packs to achieve this hairstyle. They were $5.99 a pack in my local beauty supply store. The hair is kind of heavy, so keep that in mind when you do purchase the hair. It doesn't feel like it's heavy on its own, but when you do twist them all up, it's got some weight to it. I did mix the colors. This is the Water Wave by Freetress, by the way. So I hope one of these methods will work for you lovelies. Let me know in the comment section which one you tried, which one works out best for you. So I like these twists because it's a combination of the faux locks. It kind of has the goddess lock look at the ends, but it just didn't take as long for me to install these as the faux locks. But it's really cute. So I hope you get a lot of use from this video, and with all that being said, let's get on with the video. Alright, so I'm on the final stretch right now. It's coming out pretty well. I love the ends and the color combination. I have just these 2 here, this row here and this row here. Where is it? This row here to complete, and 1 pack of hair left. So far I've put in 7 packs. So this is 7 packs of the hair. So I have 1 left and I hope it will do. So this is the Freetress Water Wave hair. I've used this once before to do crochet hair. I don't think I made a video on it, but I really liked how it came out. The color I got was TP4/27, and it's pretty much this ombre looking hair. It's not all the way ombre, so like I saw it like this and I thought this whole all of this was ombre. It's actually just a few pieces at the front. Most of it is not. So what I've done is like I sporadically added the ombre pieces throughout the hair. Had I thought ahead of time, I would have just waited until I got to the top and then just added most of the ombre there, but I was just going pack by pack and doing my hair like that. So how I use this hair, before I removed it from the packaging, all I did was pull them apart while, like just once like that, while it was in there. So then when I did remove the elastic bands and everything, I just took 2 pieces and then used it for each twist. It made it a lot easier than just separating one side and then going through and separating the other side, like the technique that's been shown. We're separating both sides, but we're just keeping it all in one place and doing it like that. The hair is really soft. It makes a huge difference with installing it and just the overall finished look, in my opinion. You're going to be twisting for hours, so if you are going to be twisting for hours, I would suggest you get a nice soft hair so you don't get your fingers all hurt up, you know. So I'm just showing you the hair before it's all separated to show you like what 2 pieces are. So well, obviously you can tell what 2 pieces are, but it's going to be 2 of these and then just separated at the bottom. So I'll just show you that really quickly. You don't really need to separate it too many times. Once is usually enough. It separates a few times with the one pull apart. Now I wanted mine a little longer, so I staggered it a little. So this is how it comes with both of them pretty much in the middle. So I got, ooh. So I took these two middles, and then I took this middle and put it to around here, and then I had it like so. So I staggered it for length, and also so it doesn't have a sharp tapered look. It's kind of feathered at the end. So the first way I'm going to show you to install them is very beginner friendly. I actually installed them like this at the back, and I'll tell you the pros and cons to this method as I'm doing it. Okay, so being very beginner friendly, I'm using either the elastic band or rubber band method. I did use these, but I'm telling you right now, the ones that I have done back here are already coming loose. So look, I'm gonna have to do them again, but I did these last night and I installed them with the method I'm about to show you, but it doesn't feel very tight. So if you are gonna do this method, I think you might be better off with this, but if you really are afraid of the damage, you can take your chances with the elastic band. Maybe use 2 of them as opposed to using these. I'm gonna show you how to do it with the elastic bands first. Now the elastic bands look like these. They're just little pieces of plastic. Can you see? I got the clear ones, but I know they come in lots of different colors. You just, okay, I'll unravel this because once you part your section off, it's just going to be unraveled. I just did that as a place holder. So okay, so you have your elastic band and you have your section that you're going to make your twist out of. So then you just elastic the base. Like so. So the elastic band is in, and the next step would be to get the hair and a latch hook. So you're going to crochet this in under here. So we want one leg on one side and one, well, so 2. So I'm going to want 2 legs on one side and 2 legs on the other. So I want it flat between here. So we do that by slipping the latch hook under the elastic band and then attaching the hair to both, closing the latch hook, and then you pull it through to about here, enough for your fingers to slide through. So I remove the latch hook, and then I'm going to find both of the loops, and then on this side, because we have 2 here and 2 there, we're gonna let go of one of the sides, and then we'll pull the hair through like so. Alright, so now we even up these 2 parts a little, not all the way because we still want it a bit staggered, but you somewhat even it out. Then you get your hair, and you're gonna take, well, first you get some gel. So you can put edge control. You can put some edge control or gel, whatever your preference, or some just moisturizer. I'm going to use a little bit of gel and just plaster it along the shaft of my hair. Okay, so I put a bit of gel on my hair, and then you split that into 2, and then you put one with one side and the other with the other side, and then you're going to twist them together. Now with all of the methods, it's really important to know which side to twist towards, and I did hear people talking about twisting towards the right versus the left, and I didn't really understand what they meant until I actually did it, and I realized twisting towards the left makes the curls, or makes the twist really loose. I want them looking a bit tighter, not so loose. So I twist the hair towards the right. So you're going to use your left hand as the dominant hand to twist the hair going that way. Now if you want them loose, you can twist it going that way. But I would advise, if your hair isn't just like, if your hair isn't the same texture as this, it's best to tighten your hair by twisting to the right so it hides that. So see, my hair is here and the crochet hair is with that, and then a piece here and there. All right, so now when I twist, I'm not just gonna twist just going like that. I kind of have a twisting motion with, I'm gonna be twisting this hair at the same time as I'm tucking it under. So I twist and then tuck under. That just makes the twist come out a lot tighter, and it tucks your hair into the twist so it won't be sitting alongside it. So as I'm going down, I twist and turn like so. Now when you get to the end of your hair, you might want to add a little more gel or whichever product you are using, whether it be moisturizer or the gel or edge control, whichever one. And you're going to tuck your ends in as you continue to twist and wrap. As you get towards the end, you're going to start locking it in, and you lock it in by getting your hair like so. So you see you have the 2 on that side and 2 on this side. You're going to separate this and also separate the other side, and you're going to add one from this side to one from that side, and then you add the other 2, and then you continue twisting. And it became a habit that every time I did that, I added a little more gel. You twist again. Now I'm running out of hair over here, so I'm gonna do the same method again, but I'm gonna split one of the hairs in half now, and then I'll also add that to that and that to that, and then continue twisting. And you're gonna continue to do this all the way until you get to the end. So I noticed once I get to the ends, sometimes I get those straggly pieces. That this one isn't so bad, but especially when it comes to the colored hair, it can get very matted towards the end. So all I do is just snip it off, and then get a little more gel and then curl it up. Well, there we go. Now if you want it tighter, you can continue to do it tight. I actually like it like this because you see more of the curls. But yeah, that is method 1, the elastic band technique. Now technique number 2 is how the Boho babe did hers, and that you might want to use an edge control for. I'm going to show you without the edge control. Again, you stagger. It's up to you, but I'm staggering, like I said, for length and just so it's not so blunt at the bottom. Get your section that you're going to be twisting, and you split that into 2 like so. Then you get your braiding hair, and then you're going to lay it across that section like so. You're going to start twisting your hair with the braiding hair. I'm twisting it forward, and then you're going to twist this one backwards, and then so this one's going back and this one's going forward. So once you have them in place, you're going to start to twist them together, and again we're twisting towards the right, so your left hand is more dominant. So you twist, and as you are making that twist, you are continuing to twist the hair in a circle. So this is a more difficult technique, but it is the most rewarding one because it doesn't give you any lumps and it makes it look more natural. When somebody gets all up in your business, they can't see where your hair starts and where the braiding hair starts, because you both, it's basically starting in the same place. So we're gonna twist and wrap all the way. You also can use some gel along the shaft as you're twisting. You just add some gel to your fingers and you wrap and twist and wrap. Alright, so it's pretty much plaiting the base and then twisting the rest. So split this into two, get the hair, add one leg, like all these legs to one, and then so you have 1, 2 and 3, and I just start by plaiting it close to the scalp, just plaiting it tight. And then when I get to about here, I add the third leg to wherever is missing the leg. So see, one's here, little gel on my hair, and then I'll just twist. So I'm turning and twisting, going down. So I'm losing light very quickly. The camera overheated for a while, so I had to take a break and then come back to show you the rest. So just really quickly, along the perimeter I used 1 and 1.5 because I didn't want too much tension. So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, just put in a comment section below if you want to know. I'm gonna have a lot of the information in the description bar anyway. The packs of hair, I used 8 packs of hair. What else? Used 8 packs. It's taken me about 5 hours, and about 5 to 6 hours maybe, because I've been doing things in between. And yeah, so until next time.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yacht, say she give me in a yacht. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man them me looking.